Good evening and welcome.
Hi, my name is Jana Flynn, and I don't want to repeat a lot of what you've already heard. A lot of the testimony that has come before you reflects things that I experienced with my children. My partner and I, when we first started to think of having a family in 2010, we knew we'd have to deal with artificial insemination and IVF and all those things, but really never thought about things like DCYF and home studies and hiring a wonderful attorney, Lise, as wonderful as she is. We never really thought about that. Devon and Hunter are now 7-year-old. These are our twins. Melinda was pregnant with them, and we nearly lost her at that time. Prior to that, I attended every doctor's appointment, every blood test, every injection, every ultrasound. I was and am their parent just as much as she is. There was never any other plan to raise them. Yet in order for me to be on their birth certificates and later for her to be on those of our other two children, Logan, who's 5, and Avery, who's 3, we had to go through the 6-month waiting period, the home visits I had forgotten about until we testified in the House together, the fingerprint process, the doctor's appointment, and excuse me, the ad in the newspaper in Washington State for the anonymous donor to come forward, all of those things. I too was terrified by the DCYF visit, even though I knew logically I had no reason to be. It was just a frightening thing. Please don't misunderstand me. I understand the need for all of that, and I appreciate the need for all of that when it comes to a stranger adopting children. And I too agree that DCYF's resources could be better spent on those type scenarios, as well as other scenarios that we know unfortunately take place here in the state of Rhode Island. But we had to do this to adopt our own children, and that just is fundamentally wrong. And I appreciate the fact that you guys are hearing this. I'm sad that it's the 3rd year, but I really hope that this is the year that it will make it out of committee and to the floor for a vote. I am thrilled that my children will never remember any of these processes, but understand that both their moms do, and the people in this room do as well. So please, let's make a change, and let's make this a more logical, streamlined process for everybody involved. Thank you.